ISO 9000 and 2015 Quality Management System. This PPT is done by myself at Gautam from Pune College of Technology. Things that learned in this course are ISO 9000 2015 Quality Management Systems, concepts of ISO 9001, QMS, PDCA cycle, certification process of ISO, the knowledge triangle, internal audit. Quality management systems of ISO 9001 2015. ISO is an independent non-government international organization with a membership of 162 national bodies. ISO develops standards by experts coming from industries, technical and business sectors with relevant knowledge. ISO formulates standard and related document address economics. ISO formulates standards and related documents address economics, environmental and social dimensions. The idea for ISO 9001 can be tracked back to British standards 5750 in 1979. However, the first publication was made in 1987. The second revision specified quality assurance through prevention action. The third revision was based on process approach. The fourth revision was an allegation with other standards. The current revision was published in 2015. The current revision was presented as committee draft in June 2013, that are drafted international standards in April 2014, then as final draft international standard in July 2015. Finally, the revision was published in September 2015. Concepts of ISO 9001. The core concept of ISO 9001 describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. It arrives at how this is to be pointed and establish the required process. It defines the scope of process planning and the controls. It improves the effectiveness of the QMS. It also manages, monitors, and maintains the system. A quality management system ensures that an organization, product, or service is compatible. QMS. The quality management is coordinate actively to direct and control an organization with regard to quality. The set of interrelated or interaction elements of an organization to establish policies and objectives and the process to achieve those objectives with regards to quality and quality management systems. There are several standards in ISO 9000 family provided a vehicle for consolidating and communication concepts in the field of quality management. ISO 9001:2015 is based on 7 quality management principles and 3 fundamental concepts. The 3 fundamental concepts are process approach, PDCA, and display settings. 7 quality principles: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, decision making, evidence-based relationship management. PDCA. The PDCA cycle can be applied to all process and to quality management system as a whole. Figure be illustrated for ISO 9000 2015. QSM required class can be grouped in relation to PDCA cycle. There are requirements regarding the planning the organization quality issued by understanding the internal and external context. Plan to do check it. It's an overall flowchart of a plan to do act that establish the objective system and its process and the resource needed to deliver result in accordance with the customers' requirements and the organization policies, and identify and list the opportunities. Do's. Implement what was planned. Check. Monitor and measure the process. Act. Take the action to improve performance as necessary. Certification process ISO 9000:2015. Define the scope of business. Gap analysis is performed. Stage 1, leading check audit. Stage 2, certification audit. After certification, surveillance audit are done annually for 3 years. Then recertification is done after 3 years of certificate issuance. The knowledge triangle. The knowledge triangle involves the collection of data, the grouping of data to create information, the analysis of information, which then creates knowledge for the organization. Following this, repeatedly applying knowledge to improve will result in wisdom. Internal audit. Internal auditing is the inspection of management system itself. Phase of an audit comprises of audit presentation, audit processing, audit reporting, and audit follow-up from the person. An audit is done by first party, second party, and third party. Type of audit are product audit, process audit, and management system audit. Internal audit against ISO 9000 2015 is a management system audit. Following the revision of ISO 9000, internal audits will now be considered to assess risk management system, context of organization, and organizational knowledge.